Trinity B1 GESE mock exams. This is a nice example of a pass. Check it out, watch at the end, and I'll give you my comments.
Good afternoon. This is the Trinity Grade 5 GESE exam. My name is Mrs. Examiner. What is your name, please?
My name is Reena Kumari.
Reena.
Yeah.
And how are you today, Reena?
I am good and I feel great.
Awesome. What is your topic today, please?
My topic is my hobby, cooking.
Cooking. And what are your 5 subpoints, please?
My 5 subpoints are how I learned to cook, things I learned from YouTube about cooking, 3 why I love cooking, 4 things I prefer to cook, and my plan to cook for my dinner.
Oh, 1 second. I'm a slow writer. Things I learned from YouTube about cooking.
Yeah.
What was number 3?
Why I love cooking.
Why I love cooking. And 4?
Things I prefer to cook.
Yes. And 5?
My plan to cook for my dinner.
Got it. So tell me, how did you learn how to cook?
I started learning cooking when I was 13 years old. At that time, I used to help my mother in the kitchen, and I learned basic things like how to cut vegetables and how cook simple meals with her.
And do you watch YouTube to learn about cooking also?
Yes, me too. Yeah.
What have you learned from YouTube?
I also learn many new things from YouTube. I enjoy watching cooking videos and learning new recipes from different parts of India.
Oh, how interesting. And what types of things do you prefer to cook? Do you cook Indian food or different food?
I prefer to cook Indian food because I am from Pakistan, but I prefer to cook Indian food because this is similar in Pakistani, but I want to try something new. That is why, yeah.
That's always interesting to try something new. And tell me, why do you love cooking?
Cooking, 1 second, teacher. Cooking make me feel great and relaxed when I cook something new, and my family enjoy the food, and I feel more confident about cooking.
And do you cook often for your family or not so much? How often do you cook?
I cook 3 times a day. I cooking every day for my family because I like cooking. That's why I cooking 3 times a day.
Oh, that's wonderful. It's very healthy, isn't it, to cook your own food?
Yes. Then you buy for the restaurant and anywhere. Yeah.
Yeah. And what do you plan to cook for dinner tonight?
Today I plan to cook chickpea curry with chapati for dinner because my family really likes it.
And do you cook a lot of like vegetarian meals or different types of meals?
I am vegan, so I always cook vegetables and plant-based product. I use plant-based product, and I didn't eat meat, so I just cooking with vegetables.
And have you always been vegan?
No, in my country I used to eat meat, but my husband is vegan, so when I came to the UK and I became a vegan, yeah, too.
Oh, It's always difficult to change diets, but it's good, isn't it? Change.
Yes, because when I came here, so I sing on the vegan videos. So I think that is good. I am become a vegan again, and I join my husband habit.
So do you prefer to cook vegan meals instead of meat meals?
I prefer to vegan meal now. Yeah.
Sure.
Before I like milk or meat, but now I prefer to vegan. Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk a little bit about entertainment. Tell me, what do you do for entertainment? Do you watch films or television, YouTube?
In entertainment, I like to sing videos on YouTube. I
Ah,
use YouTube like social media.
YouTube and social media. Which do you prefer, YouTube or social media?
I prefer to YouTube
And why do you prefer YouTube?
because what you want you can write on the YouTube, but you didn't see didn't fake any news for the YouTube and social media. I think lot of fake news is on social media. So yeah,
That is a problem nowadays, isn't it?
yeah, that is why.
I understand. And what was the first thing you watched on YouTube? Do you remember? Was it cooking videos or something else?
First, I watched in YouTube. I think I don't remember properly, but I think I used to watching cartoon. So when
Ah,
I am younger, yeah.
oh, sure. And have you ever recorded a YouTube video
No,
or social media? Have you ever recorded a social media?
not yet, but I want to try future.
That how lovely. And what will you watch next on YouTube or on social media? What will you watch next?
I have planned to watch new recipe again
Ah,
because I love recipes. So try something new to cook in my special occasion. So that is why, yeah.
and do you prefer to look up recipes by searching or do you let YouTube recommend them?
No, I prefer to watching on my searching. Yeah.
Why?
Because I am vegan. Again, I am ask you. I am vegan, so I have only vegan recipe. I want to sing only vegan recipes. That is why. Yeah.
I understand. And do you think children prefer YouTube or social media?
I think children prefer YouTube because he watch cartoon on YouTube. So that is why I think.
Have your children ever watched YouTube?
Yes, now I have two babies, so both are watching YouTube cartoon videos.
Do you think children like YouTube?
Yes, I think.
And tell me about festivals. Do you celebrate any festivals in your country?
Yes, I celebrate Diwali in my country.
Oh, I don't know. Tell me, what is Diwali?
Diwali is festival of lights.
Oh.
Yeah.
And what do you do on this festival?
Um. We wearing a new cloth, and we prepare the family meals, and we exchange the gift, and we display on the lights on the night, fireworks or display on the night time,
Oh.
midnight, and we workshop on the Lakshmi Mata. So we praying for the Lakshmi Mata, and yeah.
And are the lights in different colors, or are they white, or are they different?
Um, Only diya, the candles.
Uh-huh.
I decorated and my house with candles. and fireworks is fireworks. So the multicolor of fireworks we can display on the night. Yeah.
And do you prefer to celebrate Diwali in the UK or in your original country?
I prefer to celebrate Diwali in my original country because my family is there. So that's why.
And have you ever celebrated Diwali in the UK?
Yes.
And will you celebrate? Does the date of Diwali change every year, or is it a fixed?
Every year the date was changed. Yeah.
And will you celebrate it next year in the UK, do you think?
Yes, maybe, I think.
And are your children old enough to understand it yet, or not so? They're little.
No, both are babies, so she don't know about the Diwali. Yeah.
And can you ask me a question about Diwali
Okay.
or festivals?
Okay. Have you ever celebrate festival here in the UK?
I have celebrated a few festivals here in the UK.
Okay. What festival you celebrate here?
I celebrate whatever is in the summertime because I like warm weather.
Okay.
And I missed to ask, could you ask me a question about entertainment?
Okay. What type of entertainment you like?
I quite enjoy YouTube myself, like you.
Why are you? Oh, sorry.
Oh, pardon me. And how about your topic? Can you ask me a question about your topic?
Okay. You like cooking?
I do like cooking very much.
Okay. What type of food you cook
Also,
yourself?
also vegetarian like you.
Okay. Why are you vegetarian?
That's the end of our exam.
Okay.
Thank you for coming today.
Okay. Bye. Thank you.
Wasn't that a nice example? It's definitely a pass. When Reena speaks, I like that she spoke clearly. I could understand her, and her words are very clear. Does she have an accent? Yes. Does it matter? No, because she speaks clearly. She's 100% understandable. Also, it looks like she prepared because she came, she had vocabulary, she was able to talk about her topic, plant-based meals, vegan, vegetarian. Great. Does she pass? Yeah, she'll pass if she speaks like that. And a lot of times her structures were really nice. So I'd say, ooh, pass with merit. When she said things like, I prefer this because, and she didn't just say a simple answer, she gave a complex answer. I kept asking present perfect questions to try and see if she would be a pass with distinction, and I couldn't get a present perfect answer. In my feedback to her, after I turned off the recording, I said, study that construction. Get the construction because they'll definitely ask you a question in present perfect. And when you speak so well, you want to get 100%. You want to get that high pass. So I would say practice that. And also, a few times when she was saying continuous, when we talk about facts, habits, routines, we use present tense, not continuous. So if it's things like, I am always cooking dinner for my family, I always cook dinner for my family. Anytime it's a fact. So just to look a little bit at the difference between continuous and present tense also. But this is absolutely a pass. And what a lovely example. Keep studying, keep learning English.